what made breaking significant was the circular footwork motions, and that had never been done in that kind of like time period. I mean, people have done stuff with the body since the beginning of time, but rapid circular footwork motion, it to me is the core of breaking because it changed visually how people watch dance. You'd see someone dance and drop and get back up and dance. You see someone spin down and stop and get back up and dance. They would dance throughout the song, but with breaking, it was too much happening to continue dancing for 4 or 5 minutes. So it became hit it and quit it. Do your move and take it easy because you're out of wind, or probably also for going down and holding your body up and running your feet around your body so fast. So ultimately, you know, like that's, practicing was a part of it, you know, but we didn't look at it like that. It was just like the more you did it, the better you got because you made your improvements and you got a good response and you got a bad response. That's how we kept moving with the way we learned.
The heart and soul of the dance really is the footwork. The footwork shows you a different stage, another different stage of the dance, which also allows you to be creative and gives an element of surprises. And the key element to the dance is transitioning. It's how you get in from one to the next move without stopping. Okay? That is the most important part of this dance is transitioning, which shows you different stages of the dance, which you can introduce your certain flavor and how you rock with music, or you can introduce your power move to show you how you can get from footwork to stand-up rocking, back down to footwork through the sound that moves you.
Footwork is extremely powerful. It's done right. You know what I'm saying? I mean, let me see somebody do footwork the way I do it, you know, the air footwork, and let them tell me that's not a power move. You know, sometimes footwork takes more strength than it does to do a power move. You know, if you really think about it, it's not a power move. It's technically, the real name is air moves. And when you think about it, you don't need power to do those air moves. You just need agility and balance. I could go to California and there's 10-year-olds hitting air flares. Are they more powerful than I am? You understand what I'm saying? You feel me? Footwork is the original power move. In my humble opinion, it's the original power move. Simple thing.
What is foundation really about? Let's start this off by quoting the master himself, Bboy Ken Swift from New York. Kenny once said that foundation is a combination of the mental approach, the philosophies, rhythm, style, and character, and attitude added into the moves. So in that way, we can see there's a misconception for a lot of people when it comes to foundation. A lot of people think that knowing foundation is just simply knowing the small moves that our breaking culture consists of. Of course, that's true. You need to know the sweeps, the 3 steps, 6 steps, CCs, basic power, basic freezes, and basic top rocks and groove in order to understand foundation. But knowing foundation goes so much deeper than this. This is the starting point. Knowing foundation goes beyond this. People have often called me a foundational b-boy. And many times when I battle, me or my crew battle, we get into a situation where we get dissed for doing a lot of small things in the battle too, not just blow-ups, but small things as well. And the most common diss that comes up is the classic 6-step diss, where the opponent does a 6-step and he's like, that's all you got. Show me something else. But if your understanding is deeper and you look deeper into our rounds, it's possible that you don't see a single round of 6-step. You see something that's been taken far deeper and conceptualized, personal variations and styles and personal way of movement on top of the foundational building blocks that we have in the dance. So in that way, we need to look a little bit deeper into understanding foundation. There's more to it than just the moves.
My philosophy has always been, what if your foundation is your blow up? You know, you don't have these blow ups, and for me, that's how I see my breaking, the way I break. I feel like my foundation is my blow up. You know, whatever angle I hit, how I do it, direction, that's my blow up.
When I'm listening to these legends of breaking, it just gives me a goosebumps. Just think about foundation is my blow up. How crazy is that? How powerful it sounds, and how insane to understand the deepness of that definition. Footwork is the core of breaking. The main key of everything is a transition. Footwork is the main transition in breaking. Foundation, fundamentals, is way more than just moves. Footwork is the power move. It just resonates in me. It just resonates with my vision of breaking that I've been building through the years of practicing, through the years of experiments and researches within my movement. Like 26 years of breaking. And after all these years, when I listen to these people, I'm like, wow, that's exactly the direction where I was moving. That's exactly the direction that I was searching. And all these people, through their experience, they also came up to that understanding, to that definition. It just makes me feel happy that I was able to process all this stuff, to process all these details, all these things, and I came up with the same conclusion as these legends. Just try to focus on those words. Try to understand the meaning of what these people are speaking about. Try to see that in your approach. Try to reflect on that. Simply just sit down and think about how you see this, how you use it. It will help you to understand which direction to move in your development, in your growing. Or maybe you didn't understand something before and it will click and it will change everything in your movement, in your breaking, in your approach, in your vision, in your perspective.